igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcokia ngatho rĩa mũmbunge wa Yala Maina Karobia kanitha-inĩ wa ACK Cathedral Thika rirehete hamwe ambunge 30 na arĩa mehandĩte na gũtetera itua rĩao rĩa kũhetũkia rĩendekithia rĩa watho wa kĩgĩna.
Kupitia kufufua zile viwanda, vijana wetu mtapata kazi.
World Bank and IMF lazima pia nyinyi muheshimu nchi ya Kenya na Afrika kama vile mwanaheshimu nchi zingine za dunia. Mukikopesha wale na 1%, hata sisi na 1%. If that was to happen, all these monies we allocated to repayment of debts would be going to construction of roads.
When we were passing this finance bill, that is an advantage we had as our coalition. Because, you know, hizo discussions zilikuwa zinaenda hadi saa 6 ya usiku. By the time tulikuwa tunapitisha, wale wengine wale upande mwingine hata hawakuwa wanajua walipitisha nini, wanasema tu ai. So I don't think it is really the numbers that we had.
Maugĩte watho ũcio ũrongoreirie gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra makĩria kũrĩ andũ ethĩ, makĩũria mũingĩ ndũkaigue ruo rwa kũrĩha magoti, amu ĩyo noyo njĩra ya kũhotithia thirikari kũhingia ciĩranĩro ciayo.
Hiyo list ya project itafanywa na ushuru yenye itakusanywa kupitia kwa finance bill ambaye mheshimiwa Kimani Kuria alituongoza kupitisha.
Vile wanasema wewe kama viongozi, we have given you the responsibility. Make sure each and every shilling ambao sisi tunatoa kama taxpayers imetumiwa vizuri.
As a young person, I come from the population of 5 million that the president keeps talking about. I want us through this finance bill, we create more jobs. Out of one housing unit, we are creating 15 jobs for our young people.
Moretie mũingĩ ndũgathikĩrĩrie riboti iria ikoretwo ikĩonanio nyũmba-inĩ cia mohoro makĩria hoka nĩ ungumania thirikari-inĩ na netho ciĩgiĩ magoti marĩa mendekithĩtio watho-inĩ wa kĩgĩna, makiuga ĩyo nĩ mbara ya nyũmba cia mohoro yerekeirio kũrĩ thirikari na ndeto cia maheni.
My simple advice to our media houses: today you may imagine you are fighting with the government of the Republic of Kenya, but you are fighting with change.
Media ambao wako hapa, naona rafiki yangu Gitao Wanyoiki yako hapa. Tafadhalini, tunawapenda sana. Na nyinyi ndio ambao mmetujenga. Hakuna mtu ametujenga kama media. Hata mimi nikitembea huko naambia ngo neto kuonaga TV nde.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV jitagwo Jenga Wabui.